Assalamu alaikum learners, and welcome back to another lesson of science. Lesson 2. The topic is germination. And in this lesson you will learn to identify what plants need to survive and grow their own plant, examine how seeds germinate, and sow some different seeds onto damp cotton wool. So we have lots of interesting fun coming in this lesson today. Here we go. These are your keywords. On number 1, seed. Number 2, germination. Number 3, embryo. And number 4, seed coat. Let's recall what are the parts of the seed. Here we have endosperm, that is the yellow part inside the seed. The brown line that you can see, that is the seed coat, which protects the endosperm. And then here we have the teeny plant that grows inside the seed, embryo. Let's recap what you have studied earlier. What are the different ways that flowers disperse their seeds? Yes, we watched the video on this. So can you recall? You can pause the video and take your time. Then I have a next question for you. Can you think of some examples of flowers for each of the ways? So can you think of some examples of flowers for each of the way? What do plants need to survive? Last question. Take your time. You can pause and answer these questions and then you may move on. Here, our today's topic, germination. Let's begin. After a flower has produced the seed, you all know how the flowers make seeds. Once the seed is ready and it's dispersed, the next step for it is to grow. And inside every seed, as you saw in the picture earlier, is food for the plant to grow. But it will only grow if the conditions are right. So every plant, every seed grows in a good condition. Those conditions are good quality of sunlight, good quality of seed, good quality of soil in which you put the seed to grow. So all of these things matter. When the plant gets enough moisture and warmth, the temperature is right, then the seed starts to germinate. It starts to grow. Here you can see step by step, when a seed is in the right condition, it will begin to grow roots and shoots. And this is called germination. This shows the first one is seed coat. Out of that, a baby root comes out first. And then comes the stem. And so on, it grows into a seedling and turns into a young plant and then keeps on growing and a life cycle continues. Do you think a seed can grow without sunlight? Yes, seeds can grow without sunlight because there is enough food inside the seed to sprout. But as it grows out of the seed, it needs the sunlight to make the next food for itself, because the seed inside is only this much that a plant can grow out of it. It can sprout. So once it's out, it has to make its own food with the help of sunlight. You can refer to this page number 5 in your science textbook. Here is some challenge for you. Pick your card and answer. Last, let's have this activity. We're going to investigate. What are you going to find out? You're going to find out that how can we make this a fair test to find the best condition for germination to take place? What equipments you may need. Let's have a look. Materials we need are as follows: a plastic cup, Cotton, soil, seeds, water. First thing, number one, get a flower pot. Put the soil in the flower pot. Number three, you put the seeds in the flower pot with the soil. Number four, water the seeds. Put the flower pot in the sunlight. So here's your activity. You sow the seed and take care of your plant and watch it grow every day and record it. Investigation starts from right now, and you have to watch close how your seed starts to germinate. So watch close, record each and every step every day in your diary or on a paper, and see how every day you can see your plant growing into a big plant, how it changes from seed to plant, the journey. Last, here we have for you some game on quizzes. Please enjoy this and have fun. I will see you in the next lesson with more interesting activities and facts on plants. Take care until then. Assalamu alaikum.